This is your homework for tonight. Okay? Your teacher gave this to you, right? What's this? This is your homework. What? Oh, what shape is this? What shape is this?
Circle and big circle.
Small circle and big circle. Right. Okay. Let's dot the dotted line. Okay. No, you hold it properly like that. Oh. Follow mommy like that. Oh, like that. Like that. No, that's not correct. Hold like that. Like that. No, that's not correct. Here. Like that. You follow, okay? Let's trace the dotted line, okay? We will trace it, okay? Are you ready?
Set, go!
Okay, set, go! Wait lang. Let's...
Sa kanya lang. Hayaan mo lang.
Wait. We're not yet done. Oh. Mommy lang nga. We're not yet done. This is not good.
Just follow, Nita.
Follow, mommy.
Just listen lang, oh.
Like that. Okay. Okay, here. Let's make a circle out of the dotted line. Let's trace it. Okay. Next. Let's go. Oh, no, not yet done. We're not yet done. Come on, baby.
Gusto niya siya na magkuhan.
You hold your pencil. You hold your pencil, my love. How can we
finish that?
Finish this. Finish first.
Yeah,
finish first.
Let's finish this.
Finish first.
Finish.
Oh, here. The dotted line. So, no.
The other one.
Here first. Let's finish first this one.
Oh, after that,
next.
Next. Yes.
So,
Wow.
A small circle. This is a small circle, right?
Yes.
and a pencil.
Next.
Let's go pencil.
No. A small circle first.
Siya lang.
A small circle. Sige, big circle.
Over here.
Here, big circle. Big circle. Let's go big circle. Let's
Follow
follow this one first. The mouth.
And the eyes.
And the eyes. Yes, next is the eyes. Okay. As this is a small circle, right? A tiny circle.
Another.
Sige.
Another.
And turn around.
Yes.
Okay.
Turn around.
Okay, turn round. You know how to do it yourself? Siya yung Sige.
Siya makuan. Alalin lang sa'yo.
Oh, no!
Alalin lang sa'yo. Hayaan mo. Oh, hayaan mo yan. Pang bata yan ako ni. TBT. Oh, alalin lang sa'yo.
No.
The one. The last one.
Here.
The last one, Nita. Oh, the last one.
Here, Milab, you're not yet done.
Ay, no.
Here.
The last one. Wow.
Last one.
Small
Last one.
circle.
Small circle, Milab.
No.
Please. What's this? What shape is this?
Guide mo lang. Siya magsulat.
Madali.
Okay lang yun.
Circle.
This is not a circle.
This is a triangle. Okay.
A big triangle.
Oh.
Big giant.
Yes, finish the...
Big triangle. No. Here first. No.
Follow this one. This one, Nita.
This one first.
Trace.
Then we will color later. Trace.
After that, you will color. Okay, oh.
And the eyes.
Oh, wait.
And eyes.
Yes, another one.
And another here.
We're not yet done. Here pa. Here.
Oh, no. Crayon.
We're not yet done.
Crayon.
Oh, crayon. No.
Later, after that.
After this one,
you
we will
trace.
crayon. Come on, let's trace first.
After that, we will color that.
Trace first.
Finish your assignment. Wow, very good. Yay. Wow. Wow.
It's a triangle.
Good job.
Oh, this one last.
Last
No,
one.
no. The last, second to the last.
Wow.
Here, the other one.
The other one.
The other one. Yung, ano siya eh, siya yung umaano eh.
Oh.
Nahihimik.
Next one. Next one, color. Okay lang yan, mami.
Oh.
Hindi naman pwede mo.
Right? Oh, no.
Let's go research.
That's not correct.
Another one. Yes, guide mo lang. I-guide mo.
Ano mo, baby?
Let's go research.
Where's the eraser?
Behind you, Daddy. Let's go research.
Gusto siya magbura.
Erase, erase.
Joy, ba ilalagay mo? Or kuwan? Ah, yes. Next. Color na, Nathan. Oh, no. It will destroy. Ah, Nathan.
Again.
Finish that. And next is colored already.
Next.
Apple.
Yes, A is the apple. Here, this one is the big one. Let's trace this one first.
Wow. Good job, Nathan.
Is this
Wow.
square?
Square, okay, next.
The small square.
The small square. Let's go for the small square.
Small square.
Small square. The small square first. Wait. Like
Hindi
that.
pa niya kaya hawakan. Kaya mo lang. Guide ko lang siya. Wow!
The other one.
Another one. Wow! The other one.
Other one.
Guide mo lang ha. Hindi ko
Hindi ako. Next.
Next one.
Joaquin.
Oh, the small.
Not yet.
Not yet. The small one.
Next.
Ay, marami palang square dyan. Maliit. Wow!
This one is lots of squares.
Lot of square. Count.
How many? Ano ba yan?
Okay lang yun, mami. Ano eh. Hindi ko ang susulat siya. Wait, the small square. There's a three small. Mami, huwag mong perfect yun, mami. Ay, naku, huwag ka man na, mami.
Here.
Gusto mong perfect. Nakala ka nagtitikang pala. Mahanap tayo bayan mo siya. Ikaw ba nag-imunitan?
Oh, next.
1, 2, 3. Yay!
Yay!
Another one. Color na.
Color.
Let's color it.
Color.
Ano, crayon lang?
Ano ito na color? Red. This, again, kasi it's so small pa.
Full of color blue, Nathan.
It's full. I can see white color pa.
That's how you...
You color it correctly, huh? Color it correctly.
Color blue, full. Wow. That's all?
That's all.
Wow, good job.
Great job.
Yeah.